Hey guys, good morning. It's Coach Dave with Trading Friends. It's Monday, November 17th, and the government is back open. Now what, right? So, for the last 3 weeks, we've been using a data collecting mindset. We're not trying to hit $1,000 a day. We're trying to collect the data so we can make educated decisions. We are no different than stock traders or options traders. We're trading Forex, binary options. And if you don't even know what that means, then you need to come hang out with us free for 30 days. Let me teach you some basic stuff, and then you decide if this is right for you. No gimmicks, no hype, no clickbait, none of that stuff. I would like for you to click like and share on my YouTube channel if you're watching it here. If you're in the information channel, I'd like for you to come hang out with me instead of chasing signals. But ultimately, it's going to be your decision and whether or not you can do it. We're here 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. Monday through Thursdays. And on Fridays is a practice day, and I do some private trainings. If you have any questions at all, let me know. I hope to see you in the trading room.